Want to know what yoga really does to your body and brain? Stay till the end for a simple question that can change your life. Studies say yoga boosts flexibility, kicks back pain in the rear, shows inflammation in the exit, dodging serious issues like heart problems, and rumors have it, cleans your colon? Many yoga practices can be a mix of styles and generally involve stretching and meditation. While there's no scientific evidence to support a detox magic flushing out toxins in your colon or anywhere else, studies do show yoga is a superhero against back pain. As an estimated 80% of Americans will experience back pain in their lives, one study showed after just 6 to 12 sessions, boom, lower back pain exits stage left, and they find relief due to their now yogified hamstrings. FYI, your tight hamstrings can pull on your hip flexors, which strain your lower back. In 2015, a study had women doing hatha yoga with poses like down dog and triangle for 90 minutes weekly for around 16 weeks straight. By the last week, they could reach 4 centimeters closer to their toes than before, thanks to those newly bendy hamstrings. Physical improvement isn't the only benefit. The yoga practice itself is meditative, becoming a stress buster. Researchers suspect that yoga may reduce stress by interfering with the central nervous system's ability to release stress hormones. Studies showed meditative type yoga boosts levels of feel-good hormones like oxytocin in the brain. And as a bonus, it also lowers inflammation in the body, which has been linked to serious issues like cardiovascular disease. Even the U.S. health folks recommend regular exercise. Things like yoga, brisk walks, or a dip in the pool are the ticket to slashing anxiety, boosting your mood, and giving sleep and self-esteem a high five. So yeah, yoga is definitely all zen and flexible. And luckily, there's an even easier way. With chair yoga, you're able to experience the same benefits without even getting down on the ground. Now here's the question that can change your life. I have a traditional yoga practice here and a chair yoga practice. Which one would you be willing to try today? Let me know in the comments below. Starting a yoga practice today will change your life. And remember your happy yoga smile. Namaste.